Coming for mommy. Daddy. You're coming to for mommy. Oh, you my darling coming. My Cleo, coming. Gel. Come on, my darling. Ой. Missed mommy? Annie missing mommy? Yes. He says yes. Yes, missing mommy. Oh, calma, primo. No, calma. Calma. Ой, нет, она. Oh, how is pregnancy doing?
Come, Cleo, come.
Cleo said. Oh, my Cleo. Tamam. I love both of you. You see? Don't worry. Guys, it's alright. Cleo is... He's calling me Hore. Yeah, okay. Oh, my darling. Okay, no problem. Come you two. I'll pet both of you. Cleo, come on. Ay, my darling. Ay, my Cleo. Ay, my darling. Yes, he wants love. He also wants love. Small mommy, small lucky mommy. She doesn't like Cleo. Okay, don't be nervous. It's okay.
Cleo?
Kiss ya.
The aggressive mommy.
Mommy has trouble. She needs a lot of food.
She doesn't want to share with Cleo.
Yeah, she doesn't want to share. She's feeding maybe 5 inside. Come to mommy close. Okay. You are good, you too.
So hungry.
Ay.
Let's eat.
Hi, guys.
Come on, let's eat.
First need to get your food. Cleo, come. Roxana, how is hungry?
So hungry.